Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today it's with great pride that I'm unboxing ELAC's brand new bookshelf speaker, their debut 6 2.0. Obviously replacing the debut 6 and this excellent pair of speakers. It's called a B 6.2. B for bookshelf, 6 inch I will assume will be the main bass driver, being 6 inches, and the second variation of it. They are packed in pairs, and the packaging is relatively modest. It's white with some black printing. It's got model and serial number information in a scan environment here on just one end, and then some basic information, pictorials and other things like that. Now, opening a box of speakers like this is really easy. I guess be a little bit careful though, mainly because these actually are stapled closed as well. Factory tape, I'm just being careful to make sure that the blade doesn't go too far in. The factory tape is supported with some staples. Now, as you've probably seen in many of my unboxing videos, the best advice I can give you at this point is to get rid of these staples. There is nothing worse than either injuring yourself on them because they are sharp, or scratching your brand new speakers as you take them out of the box. So take these, chuck them away. Now, looking at it, now these speakers are designed by Andrew Jones, made in China, and so the packaging is elaborate as far as being able to protect the product, as you can see. In the very top is a user manual talking about the whole debut range, including the centre speaker, floor standards and other things like that. With anything that's packed like this and relatively heavy, this is the easiest way of opening it. Take the box and lift it off the product. Now, it's managed to take with it the top polystyrene. It's excellent, saves me a little bit of a job, and it shows everybody immediately what's going on as far as the packaging for things like the grill and the speaker. I'm going to put one of these off to one side because they will be identical, and we'll start with the grill. Now, this grill is one of those contemporary hard-working plastic grills with a honeycomb weave to ensure that they're acoustically transparent. They're relatively flexible and are held in place with 6 of these little sort of feet. Opening the box, or the speaker itself, is very easy. It's a little nick of the sellotape on the bag, and then away we go. Now, these speakers are only available in black, and I guess it just reduces overall production costs and ensures that mass production can be utilised to get these speakers to market so cheaply. Now, Hi-Fi Choice has just reviewed these. They're absolutely loved, and of course it's because they've got so much bang for buck. They are such an awesome speaker at such a modest price. Anyway, look at that packaging. So, like any sort of elegant budget speaker, the fit and finish is good for the price. The ELAC logo is excellent. The 6 bungs for the feet of the grill are here, and the main mid-bass driver. The tweeter is very well protected at the top with a series of grills, and there's a time alignment as far as the placement of these associated with the front of the box and other things like that. There's a front port above the ELAC logo, of course the bass driver and tweeter. Tipping them forward for a moment, you can see that these speakers aren't massive. However, they are larger than obviously the smaller 5.2 in all proportions, actually height and width. Relatively easy to utilise these in a good stereo situation or a large home theatre as rears. Again, these are available in this black finish only, which is that black ash, I guess is what often they're called. At the back, it's relatively plain and muted. Obviously an emulation of model and serial number information, along with the scan code for that, and a reasonable set of binding posts. The fit and finish of this is good. You can fit bare wire, spades, bananas with ease, and they're delineated red and black quite obviously. Again, the fit and finish is excellent. Sometimes with these budget speakers you end up with a seam that may perhaps split. There's no evidence of that in the speaker. In fact, it's beautiful. It really is. And for the money, just astonishing. So there we go. ELAC's brand new debut 6.2 bookshelf speakers unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.